Hi guys, sorry about background noise. I'm just introducing my friend's channel, Gertta Gray Days. Apparently she has 3 subscribers now. A minute ago it was just 2. She has about 5 videos. And I do have a gift for her. Don't mind about background noise. I got that wrong. Don't mind that. Just transport this over here and no one notice. Okay, that's better. I think I did a pretty good job. Got the purple eyes, got the blue scarf thing, got the shading, got the grable purple eyes shading, all that good stuff. I am becoming better at drawing, and I got really creative with the background. Don't judge me. So, yeah. Bye, guys. Just what I was saying. This is my friend at school. She likes drawing furries, too. Furry friend. Why not? People are asking if I draw at school, and they're like, what's that? And I'm like, it's a furry. And then they're like, what's a furry? And I'm like, a furry is a furry. So she's probably one of the only people that know that, what a furry is at school. So, furries for life. Okay. Bye, guys.